Hi, welcome back to PSSETV. This is Sean, and let's start coding. Now, our game here isn't complete because a game has character creation, and character creation means that the users will be able to input which value they want in a variable. So yeah, let's start with that first. Now here, hero name. The way you want to get the input of the user is just type input, parentheses, and then the questions for like enter your name here. So enter hero name here. Just like that. Now we have the HP of the hero. So we could do, let's just leave that for now. And input, enter enemy name here, just like that. Now here in this print function, we have Goku punches Frieza with blank damage. Now since Goku is just hero name, we could just replace this with the F strings and with the curly brackets. Hero name here, there. Now, and enemy name is Frieza. Now we could just replace that with enemy name, enemy name, there. Same with here, enemy name, and here hero name. Now I will have to change all of this. Enemy name and hero name. So yeah, now let's try our program. We save. Now enter the hero name. Let's name Goku as Brian or something. Let's name the enemy as Greg, and there you go. See, Brian punches Greg. Greg fires a key blast. Greg has only this health left. Brian has only this health left. Now it's not only the name that we can modify, that we can get input from. We can also get input from the HP. So yeah, since the HP is an integer, we must declare it as so. So int, then input, and then enter HP here. Just like that. Well, what would happen if I just left this as input? Then that would default to a string, so we don't want a over 9,000 but as a string, since the calculation would mess up right here. Yeah, let's also do the same for the enemy HP. So input, just like that, and enter enemy HP. So we have a name, input. Now with the damage, let's just leave it as it is. But the point here is I just want to you get the idea of how you take input from the users. Yeah. Now let's change some stuff. Now, enemy HP. Yeah, that's it. Enemy HP right here. Calculations are good. Now let's run this again. Now let's name this Killua. No, I don't know, just name this Pikachu. And then Pikachu's HP is it's just 5,000. His enemy name is Charizard, and Charizard is 25,000. There you go. So the Pikachu punches Charizard with 500 damage. Charizard fires Key Blast with 15 damage. Charizard has only 24,500 left, since the damage of Pikachu is 500 minus 25,000. Yeah, you get the math. So yeah, that's it. That's how you take input. Now, what happens when our hero reaches an HP level below 0? So yeah, that's where conditionals come. And this is the introduction to conditionals. So what are conditionals? Well, conditionals are, let's say, they're the one that controls, I think, the flow of the program. For example, For example, in English you have, if I do this, then the result is this, or else, then the result is this. Say, if I drink tea, then I would be healthy. Else, I won't drink tea, I won't be healthy. Just like that. That's basically a conditional. So this is where control structures come in. A control structure directs the order of execution of the statements in a program. So yeah, control flow. That's what I said. So yeah, so how do you write an if statement? So just an if, a condition, then do something. Well, let's try it. So here you see calculations here. Enemy HP, hero HP. Now how about we if hero HP is less than 0, there you go, then just print, oh no, oh no, then hero name. Oh yeah, I forgot about F, since this is an F string. So hero name, oh no, blah blah blah, fainted, hero name. Yeah, that's it. Now we could try that. Since 1500 is the damage, we could do this. Hero name is Pikachu. Pikachu's HP is 5. Yes, it's 5. And enter the enemy HP. Enemy name is, I don't know, about Squirtle. Right. And his HP is 5000. So there you go. So Squirtle fires a Key Blast at Pikachu with 1500 damage, but Pikachu's HP is only 5, so that would leave him a negative HP, which means it's less than 0. That's why this is executed right here. Oh no, Pikachu fainted. Now what if Pikachu's health is, more than the damage? So Pikachu, his health is also 25,000. Enemy is Blastoise. Yeah, Squirtle evolved. This enemy is 4,000. Just inputting random numbers here. So yeah, Pikachu's health is 23,500. So as you can see, this one did not get executed because the condition does not satisfy. If there's an if, there should be an else, right? So yeah, an else. Else just means if it does not satisfy this condition, so it would do this something on the else side. So print the hero live, okay, just like that. If we run the program again, I'll just name this red. HP is 5000. I'll name the enemy Mark. HP is 9000. So yeah, you see here the hero live. That means this did not satisfy the condition. That's why it jumped to the else clause. Now what if I want to add more conditions to the same if block? That's where else if comes in. Else if basically is, if you want more condition in your if block, you could do that. For example, if hero's HP is less than 5, he is fainted. No, he's almost fainted, so he has a red line in his HP bar. Else if hero HP reaches 0, then he is truly fainted. The way you write an else if in Python is just like that. Else if, and then an if right here. So if hero HP is less than 5. Now let's just say is greater than 5. Yeah, let's try something like that. Then we print. He is in good health, something like that. So if his HP is greater than 5, that just means he is in good health. But once it reaches, he is in good health now. Yeah, let's try this. Pikachu. HP is 5000. Enemy name Carrot Man. I don't know. 6000. See, he is in good health. Now let's try something that would make him, just to make him faint. Pikachu HP is 10. Vegetables. 5000. Oh no, Pikachu fainted. See?